Folks, we all know how much work it takes to make a song look as good as it sounds. You can spend hours editing clips, syncing every beat, and still feel that something's missing. But what if you could skip all that and turn your music into a complete video in just one click? That's what Freebeat was built for. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we'll explore how it works and how it pairs visuals with your audio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your music into something ready to share with your audience. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Grab your favorite track and let's dive in. Folks, Freebeat is the world's first AI music video agent. That basically means it takes any song and turns it into a ready-to-share video in one click. You don't even need editing skills or expensive software. Friends, it works with tracks from Suno, YouTube, Spotify, and so on, or you can just upload your own audio file. The artificial intelligence listens closely to your song and starts building movement that follows the rhythm. As the track changes, it shapes the transitions to match the energy. What really stands out here is how it bridges the gap between sound and vision. Guys, your music becomes the natural prompt, and the tool translates that into motion and color without you having to direct every frame. So yeah, Freebeat is like your personal visual studio that brings your sound to life with zero stress. Folks, let's head over to the Freebeat website and see how it all works in practice. The homepage greets us with examples, styles, and stories created by other users. You can explore them for inspiration and ideas. But today, we'll focus on the music video agent. Once I sign in, the workspace opens with several creative tools. There's music video for turning songs into clips, music cover video for album visuals, and video to music for syncing footage to sound. We'll check the music video one, since that's where the main magic happens. Guys, the interface feels intuitive. On the left, you can write a short prompt that describes your idea. It can be whatever you want, from the theme or the color tone to the mood. Below that, there's an option to add a character who will appear in your video. You can keep this character consistent across projects, so you'll have the same style and identity every time. You can also choose resolution, and I'm going for the highest one available to get clean, detailed visuals. There's also a selection of preset styles, or you can define your own custom style. For this demo, I want it to be photorealistic. The system lets you pick between manual or auto mode. I'll keep it on auto so the agent completes each step on its own. Before the start, you can also adjust visibility. Keep your video private or make it public for others to see if you want. Now let's add our song, folks. You can paste a link from music platforms or upload your own file. The moment the link is in, Freebeat Music Video Generator reads the track and lets you pick the exact section you want to use. I'll choose a short segment so we can watch the process faster. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. With everything ready, I enter a simple prompt telling the agent to create a video for this song. Then I hit generate and wait. The agent starts analyzing the track, reading the rhythm, and shaping a creative concept around it. On the screen, you can actually follow its thought process as it builds the idea step by step. Then it begins generating scenes. First, it marks the segments where the beat changes. After that, it fills each segment with visuals that match the sound's energy and mood. The AI syncs motion to the rhythm and transitions scenes smoothly as the music evolves. After a few moments, the preview appears.
Want to think I have you, but I don't like to lie. So I lie here while you lie too.
The visuals look clean and professional, the camera movement feels natural, and everything flows with the beat. The character is consistent too. You can download and use the final video right away. Now let's experiment a little, guys. This time I'll choose one of the songs from the assets library here. I'll pick this one and ask the agent to create a video in a cyberpunk style. All that's left is to launch the agent again. It goes through all the same steps. So let's jump straight to the result. As you can see, folks, changing the style completely transforms the vibe of the video. Same process, totally different aesthetic. That's what makes Freebeat music video generator so flexible for different kinds of projects and creative directions. Okay, my friends, let's wrap it up. I've gotta say, this tool makes music visualization way more accessible than I expected. Whether you're a musician releasing tracks or a creator working with AI, Freebeat helps you bring sound to life. It gives you consistent visuals without the usual editing headaches. What kind of tracks are you working on right now? And would you use something like this for your releases? Let me know in the comments. Try creating your own music video at Freebeat.AI. Use my link and code from the description below for 10% off Pro membership. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.